Hello and welcome to the International Award for Young People India's Gold Award Ceremony 2021. The Duke of Edinburgh's International Award is a global framework for non-formal education, which challenges young people in the age group of 14 to 24 to dream big, celebrate their achievements, and make a difference. Since its launch in 1956, it has inspired millions of young people to transform their lives. Participants design their own award program, set their own goals, and record their own progress. The award program was introduced in India in 1962 with a view to encourage young people in the country to achieve their full growth potential within the framework of Indian society, to improve their moral, social, and intellectual well-being, to equip them for life. 2021 marks the 65th anniversary of the Duke of Edinburgh's International Award. Over the last 65 years, the award has inspired millions of young people to transform their lives. Currently, more than 1.1 million young people across 140 countries around the world have achieved their award. The past 2 years have been unusual and difficult for all of us. We were faced with unprecedented challenges, and yet our Gold Award recipients have emerged stronger and more confident than ever. They are equipped for life and are now world ready. During the course of the ceremony, we are going to have fun and interaction with our viewers through three quiz segments. The quiz is about your knowledge of the award, so we hope your concepts are clear and you are well versed with the details of the award. Top 10 quiz participants with the correct answers get to win a customized award t-shirt. The answers and result of the quiz will be announced on our social media handles, and winners will be congratulated. So stay tuned and follow us on our social media handles. The quiz segments will be live in between the ceremony, so make sure you don't miss out. We hope to see many participants. Best of luck to you all. I request the National Director of the International Award for Young People, India, Mr. Kapil Bhalla, to address you all and commence the Gold Award Ceremony 2021.
I welcome you all to our Digital Gold Award Ceremony. As you're all aware, we have a physical award ceremony for our Gold awardees every year, but due to the unusual circumstances, we missed 2020, and so we overcame the uncertainty of 2021 by holding this digital award ceremony. The International Award for Young People India presents the Duke of Edinburgh's International Award Program for young people to find a passion, place and purpose in this world, to make them world ready. The simple program of skills, physical recreation, community service, adventurous journey, and at the gold level an additional residential project motivate young people, give them a platform to express themselves, ensure resilience, a sense of purpose, and a specific goal for them to achieve. The program challenges oneself without competing with others, and it has been successful in India since 1962 and all over the world since 1956. I'm grateful to the we're all grateful to the International Award Foundation, which recognized the impact of the pandemic and allowed flexibility for young people to complete their award journey in these unusual circumstances. They challenge themselves to do their skills, physical recreation, community service from a safe space at home. The adventurous journey was also designed to be done from a safe space as a hybrid of the virtual and the real world, and all of you have been very successful in all this. Dr. Kurt Hahn, the founder of this program, along with His Highness the Duke of Edinburgh, said that the aim of education is to impel people into value-forming experiences, which would lead to an enterprising curiosity, a tenacity of purpose, an undefeatable spirit, and above all, compassion. So I congratulate you all once again for having challenged yourselves in these unusual circumstances and for having completed your gold level successfully. I welcome you all to join our global award alumni and connect with similar award holders all over the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bhalla, for your encouraging words. John May wants to address us all and offer his congratulations to the award recipients and their families. Over to you, John.
Greetings to all of you award achievers, family members, supporters and award leaders in India from here in the United Kingdom. My name's John May and I'm the Secretary General of the Duke of Edinburgh's International Award Worldwide. I'm proud to offer my congratulations to you today on behalf of the Global Award family. There are more than 1 million young people participating in the award today in more than 130 countries. So each of you can describe yourself as one in 1 million. The award in India is flourishing, and it has been since 1962 when it was originally introduced to your beautiful country. I know that you will have your own story to tell of your award adventure, how your award programme has helped you push yourself out of your comfort zone, experience new things, and develop as a human being. I would have loved to have been with you today, celebrating in person, but that of course just isn't possible at present. I hope that you and your family are staying safe and well in these unprecedented times. You know as well as I do the impact that the award has on anyone who comes into contact with it. Award achievers like you are game changers, making a real difference to your own lives, but also to the lives of communities around you. This is true even without the pandemic, but the last months have shown the power of voluntary service, resilience, and problem solving. If you've completed your award in these difficult times, kudos to you and to those who have supported you. You really are world ready. Of course, today is about celebrating the achievements of young people, but I also want to thank all the adults who have supported you on your adventure. You couldn't have completed your award without the support and guidance of your award leaders and other supporters, and your parents as well. The award in India is fortunate in that it has the support of some other amazing partners who recognise the importance of what you've achieved. So thank you to all of you. Today, you're joining a family of millions of alumni from around the world who have benefited from participating in the Duke of Edinburgh's International Award. We've recently launched a global award alumni network with its own digital platform, connecting award achievers around the world. I invite you to register today and make the most of the opportunities that it could bring your way. Award achievers, this moment is yours. Enjoy it and relish it. Today is about honouring your hard work, your sacrifice and your determination. Many, many congratulations. Enjoy your moment. You've earned it. Stay happy, stay optimistic, and enjoy your success.
Thank you, John. I hope all our award recipients are happy, optimistic, and enjoying their moment. I request His Royal Highness, the Earl of Wessex, to congratulate the award recipients and share his award experience with us.
Congratulations on achieving your Duke of Edinburgh's International Award. And gold demands everything of you. So that's perseverance, commitment, resilience, and imagination. Well done. And hopefully you've discovered there's more in you than you think. Now, I'm sure there were times when you were doing it, you were wondering why. And I certainly remember when I was doing my Gold Award, it was about halfway through the adventurous journey. But now that it's over, I hope you can savour that sense of satisfaction and also feel that it was an enjoyable experience as well as a worthwhile one. But most importantly, you should feel justly proud of what you have achieved. Now, welcome to that happy band of award holders. You'll find us all over the world. I trust you feel that the award has made a difference to you and that you will continue to make a difference to others around you. You will discover that the skills and experiences that you have gained will help you in the future and that you are, as we say, world ready. Now, for those of you who've had to overcome the additional hurdle of adapting to the conditions imposed by COVID-19, or have used the opportunity to volunteer in your community, really well done. Being acknowledged for achieving your award virtually is not the same. There's no denying that. But it doesn't diminish your achievement. It simply means that we cannot celebrate what you've done in the traditional manner. Now, congratulations to all of you. You have achieved what others only dream of. Feel very proud, and when you leave the room, just walk a few inches taller.
Thank you for sharing your experiences with us. Welcome to the first quiz segment. Here are a few instructions to be kept in mind before we jump into the quiz. The first point, the answers are to be submitted via a Google form. The form link is in the description and is also pinned in the live chat section. Point number 2, each segment will be live only for a period of 15 minutes. Therefore, the answers and the submission should be completed within the time frame. The top 10 participants with all correct answers stand a chance to win a customized Award India t-shirt. All the best, and let's get started. The first question for the first quiz segment is, the Duke of Edinburgh's award was started in A. 1958, B. 1969, C. 1956, or D. 1960. The second question, playing chess comes under which section? Option A, physical recreation. Option B, skill section. Option C, adventurous journey. Or option D, voluntary service. The third question for the quiz is, who was the first chair of the Duke of Edinburgh's award? Option A, Queen Elizabeth. Option B, His Royal Highness Prince Philip. Option C, Earl of Essex. Or option D, John May. The fourth question, residential project is required for option A, gold level. Option B, bronze level. Option C, silver level. Or option D, platinum level. The fifth question and the last question for the first quiz segment. Snowboarding comes under which section? Option A, physical recreation. Option B, skill section. Option C, adventurous journey. Or option D, voluntary service. These are the 5 questions for quiz segment 1. Get your creative juices flowing and try to answer all the questions. The Google form link to fill in your answers has been pinned in the chat section and has also been uploaded in the description of this video. Your time to send in the answers starts now. All the best.
Congratulations on completing the Duke of Edinburgh's award. The Gold Award requires persistence, commitment, imagination, and resilience. This award helps you discover more in you than you think. So for those of you who had to adapt to the conditions imposed by COVID-19, really well done. Each section and activity has its own challenges. This year, the physical recreation section required you to be more innovative, patient, and determined to be successful in achieving your set goals. Vast indoor activities and being healthy during this pandemic were 2 major contributing factors for the participants. So as a Gold Awardee myself, I welcome you to the community of award holders. You will find us all over the world. So hope the award made a difference to you and you will continue to make a difference to others around you. You will discover that the skills and experience you gained will help you in the future. So congratulations once again and hope you're feeling world ready.
Our Gold Award recipients have reached new heights and have proved themselves during their award journeys. We wish to celebrate all our Gold Award recipients who have successfully completed their award in these tough times. At the same time, We would also like to acknowledge and celebrate the role of award leaders from schools who have been empowering young adults even through the pandemic. They have guided the participants every step of the way. We also congratulate the proud parents, siblings, and families of the Gold Award recipients without whose support this journey would not have been possible. A big congratulations to all of you.
It has helped me to gain much more confidence by taking part in various activities, and due to it, I learned many new skills like teamwork and communication.
This program has helped me to learn many more skills, and these skills have helped me in my assignments and internships.
The IYP Gold program instilled in me a sense of service towards society, which I feel is very important in today's world. Furthermore, it encouraged me to venture out of my comfort zone and engage in activities that I would have otherwise never considered engaging in. The overall IYP experience has been a life-changing one, as it taught me how to be independent, self-reliant, responsible, and how giving back to the community is a must.
IYP, with its holistic approach, has not only taught me how to work together as a team with my community, but has also taught me the importance of giving back to the society as an individual.
I think it instilled in me a spirit of service that I'm going to take with me for life, and I'm going to be able to employ it for any other service endeavors that I take in the future.
The overall IYP experience was a life-changing one, as it taught me how to be self-reliant, be responsible for ourselves, and how giving back to the community is a must for making this world a better place to live in.
This program has given me a lot of skills that I otherwise wouldn't have honed, especially things like persistence, consistency, and the spirit to give back to my community.
IYP has instilled in me courage and confidence. It has shown me the importance of working for others. And most of all, I've learned the importance of working today for a better tomorrow.
IYP journey has been a path of self-discovery for me. I've learned a lot about myself, but of course, being resilient and continuing these activities during the COVID pandemic has really taught me a lot.
The overall IYP experience for me was extremely helpful and informative. The holistic approach encouraged me to participate in the physical and the co-curricular activities, as well as give back to the society.
I have completed my goal in IYP, self-confidence and leadership qualities.
I have acquired values and skills that I will carry with me for life. IYP is the reason that I've understood the importance of giving back to the community.
Great opportunity. I think we all kind of did what we always wanted to do but never had a chance to do. So I'm really grateful for this.
The most about IYP was that it provided extra motivation to take part in productive activities like community service and sports.
My association with IYP has helped me grow as a person and become a more compassionate and helpful human being. Thank you so much.
The best part about the IYP was definitely the residential project, which made me much more self-reliant and independent than I already was, and it gave me a sense of diplomacy.
This is a non-competitive program which helped me to enhance my growth and I discover myself personally. This program helped me to serve a small community and give me a great experience. Thank you.
My experience with the IYP has been a truly positive one. Over the course of the last many years, it taught me hard work and resilience. The many trips that we went for taught me team spirit, and the workshops that we had in school put life in a new perspective for me. It ingrained in me such important life lessons that I will cherish them forever.
The exploration and residential journeys enabled me to explore various cultures and places as well as connect with new people. I'm glad I was able to complete this journey despite the COVID-19 pandemic.
at Deepak was a tremendous experience. The clean drive at Khairpur was a very good deed that we did to the environment.
Welcome to the second quiz segment. Here are a few instructions to be kept in mind before we jump into the quiz. Instruction number 1. The answers are to be submitted via a Google form. The form link is in the description and has also been pinned in the live chat section. Instruction 2. Each segment will be live only for a period of 15 minutes. Therefore, the answers and the submissions should be completed within the time frame. Instruction 3. The top 10 participants with all correct answers stand a chance to win a customized Award India t-shirt. All the best, and let's get started. The first question, the second quiz segment, is the award program consists of how many levels? Option A, 5. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 1. The second question, sports coaching comes under which section? Option A, physical recreation. Option B, skill section. Option C, adventurous journey. Option D, voluntary or social service. The third question, the award in India was started in A, 1994, B, 1965, C, 1962, or D, 1959. The fourth question, the quiz is, how many sections are there in bronze and silver levels? Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 6. Or option D, 7. The fifth and the last question for this quiz segment is, the Duke of Edinburgh's award is also known as President's Award in which country? Option A, United Kingdom. Option B, Kenya. Option C, Canada. Or option D, India. These are the 5 questions for quiz segment 2. Get your creative juices flowing and try to answer all the questions. The Google form link to fill in your answers has been pinned in the chat section. Your time to send in the answers starts now.
As an award holder myself, I want you to believe in yourself and stay determined. Remember that every problem is a challenge to prove yourself and a skill to be developed. You know you can do this, right? I know you can. You know you can. Well, that means you're already halfway there. And the last part of anything, a movie, a level, in a video game, the last over of a cricket match is always the best. And I hope you enjoyed the last level, the goal level of the award, thoroughly.
One of a great experiences when we went to Dudhwa National Park, which is in Lucknow, where I have learned time management, teamwork, and problem solving.
I had a great experience working with these underprivileged children. I got to teach them life skills and basics of few subjects like mathematics, English, and SST.
It has instilled in me persistence, consistency, and the one thing that will be cherished by me throughout my life, which is the spirit of service.
this program has been a life-changing experience, and IYP has encouraged me to do some various challenging activities, made me acquire the skills to do the same.
The program instilled in me persistence, consistency, and a sense of service, providing me with an opportunity to give back to the society.
Teaching in the village children helped me to understand the fundamental difference between city life and rural life. Understanding these basic cultural differences is what made this project one of the most interesting.
The entire program has been very enriching, the service section being my favorite, as it gave me a chance to give back to the society. It gave me an opportunity to work with the unprivileged children and the differently abled.
Going on adventure journeys has taught me a lot about teamwork, taking responsibility, and has helped me to acquire a lot of life skills as well as survival skills.
I love the entire thing as a whole, but if I had to choose any one particular part, I'd definitely choose the adventurous journey section. But it also helped me develop a love for nature, a love for trekking, and be more complete as a person and be more independent.
IYP experience was really amazing because it gave me exposure and I learned new things and new skills. I really liked the service and physical recreation part.
My entire IYP journey has been incredible. This journey made me bold, confident, and optimistic towards my life. I got to meet a lot of new people, learn and share new experiences, which ultimately enriched my life. IYP taught me to never give up.
It is a big project and a chance to discover yourself as well as the world around you. I've realized the importance of giving back to our community as well as acquired skills and values that will help me move forward throughout my entire life.
I have acquired some great skills like persistence, consistency, and most importantly, giving back to the society. I'm eternally grateful for this program for giving me these skills which I otherwise wouldn't have honed.
I am ever so grateful to be recognized on an international platform such as this, which has taught me the values of self-preservation, responsibility, and has encouraged personal growth and all-round character development. I also tried my best to engage in social work and physical activity during the pandemic.
This program was a life-changing experience for me, and it encouraged me to participate in various activities that otherwise I wouldn't have been able to.
Has made me learn so much about my own self. I've developed a lot of interpersonal skills when it comes to reaching out to community, about making an impact, and also about going beyond my own ability to do stuff.
Welcome to the final quiz segment. Here are a few instructions to be kept in mind before we jump into the quiz. Instruction 1. The answers are to be submitted via a Google form. The form link is in the description and is also pinned in the live chat section. Instruction 2. This segment is live only for a period of 15 minutes. Therefore, the answers and the submission should be completed within the time frame. Top 10 participants with all correct answers stand a chance to win a customized award t-shirt. All the best, and let's get started. The first question for the final quiz segment is, what are the different levels offered at the International Award for Young People India? Option A, pre-bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Option B, bronze, silver, and gold. Option C, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Option B, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Question number 2 is, what is the purpose of the Duke of Edinburgh's Award? Option A, to keep adults engaged with work. Option B, to enable young adults to engage in meaningful activities and challenges themselves to achieve their goals. Option C, to meet new people and explore network opportunities. Option D, to go on adventure journeys. Question number 3, yellow color signifies which section of the award? Option A, physical recreation. Option B, skill section. Option C, adventurous journey. Or option D, voluntary service. Question number 4, how many sections are there for the gold level of the award? Option A, 6. Option B, 5. Option C, 3. Or option D, 4. The last question for the final quiz segment is, what does the bird symbolize in the International Award for Young People India's logo? Option A, happiness. Option B, freedom. Option C awards personal values of self-improvement, excellence, confidence, and pride. Option D awards internationalism and its universality. These are the 5 questions for the last and final quiz segment. Get your creative juices flowing and try to answer all the questions. The Google Form link to fill in your answers has been pinned in the chat section and is also available in the description of the video. Your time to send in the answers starts now. Best of luck.
I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for completing your Gold Award journey. It was amazing going through your journey, especially when you are confined within 4 walls, and still you have successfully completed your social service by helping senior citizens, reaching out for the special need children, teaching them, guiding them. It's really great. The disadvantage that you as award participants are facing because of the lockdown during COVID-19, it is very unfortunate. However, believe it or not, tough times often get resolved into easier times. All of you have got what it takes to get through this pandemic and achieve greater heights. This is your award, your challenge. And I know you feel world ready by the end of this award journey.
Now I'm highly elated to learn that 5 students of ours will be getting the IOIP Gold Award this year. It's not the happiness of getting the award, it is the happiness and satisfaction of seeing a remarkable change in these children who will be getting the award. Now are the testing times. We are going through tough time in life. Everybody, the society is going through tough time. These children over their journey to IOIP Award have developed that empathy factor in them. They have developed that sensitivity towards the society, towards the people around them. And that is what it has made it towards the journey. That means they've developed that positive attitude. They've learned how to radiate that positive attitude and positive thoughts. They've learned that when the society requires them, they are there and they ensure their services to the society. I'm happy and elated about this. All thanks to IOIP for bringing about this change in our students. I'm sure we, along with IOIP, will be able to make this world a better place. Thank you.
I extend my heartfelt wishes to IOIP India for providing such a meaningful platform to all the young individuals across the country. Privilege for me to be associated with this remarkable journey of self-exploration, service and adventure. The sense of pride they experience at completing their award levels cannot be put down in words. It is overwhelming not only to see the tremendous transformation that takes place in students while on their journey, but also to see them empathize with the people around them who they come across while indulging in the voluntary service program. The participants become more responsible and take ownership of their actions. They not only pursue their hobbies and interests with more passion, but also cultivate the 21st century skills and get ready to take up the challenges beyond school.
And I must say that the IOIP program has definitely helped in molding our students into a well-rounded personality, particularly in the last 1 year, wherein even the online adventure activities were done with a lot of enthusiasm. And I do sincerely believe that beyond academics, in inverted commas, is much more important in shaping a student's personality to be able to tackle himself in this global world well. And that is where IOIP is doing a human service, wherein the students are really enthused about the adventure activities which they conduct, and which they motivate them to attend.
As the year passed by, the second year was, yes, a pandemic year where everything was shut down. Schools were shut down. We were not able to meet the students. We were not able to interact with them. We thought that this year we would not be continuing it and we might give 1 year a halt of it. But no, eventually it was a fortunate year for us that from 20 we had 50 students enrolling into IAYP in this pandemic, because the first batch students enjoyed so much that the entire batch enrolled themselves into silver. And looking at them, we had a new batch of bronze too, which really went very well. Learned so many things in skills, in community service, that the parents too were satisfied and happy. They were very happy that the students are doing, that their children are doing something for the community. This year, that is the third year that we are into IAYP. Yes, we did not look back. The things went on more easy for us this year when we had again 50 students enrolling for IAYP. And this year would be our first batch stepping ahead for gold level. And I'm pretty sure as the years go by, we would be enrolling more students. And in IAYP, we would see more students with good numbers. And yes, our school students would be very good and taking their own responsibilities on their shoulders.
They have learned the lesson of humanity by doing community work. The students have developed team spirit, confidence, leadership quality. These qualities are very important for them to become a responsible citizen and their overall development.
They have sharpened their skill with hard work, dedication, and devotion. Their hard work has been recognized with the award.
In the academic year 1920, we have 226 awardees, and that includes the 17 very proud gold awardees. I am extremely grateful to the National Award Office, to IAYP, to Mr. Kapil Bhalla and Mr. Bibhujit Mukhoti in particular for hand-holding us through this entire journey. We have always found it very helpful to start taking it step by step, first the bronze, then the silver, and then the gold. That gives students a sense of achievement and the enthusiasm to work for the next level with full commitment. They say that the IAYP makes you world ready. And in view of the pandemic which has hit the world, nothing can be truer. We have seen our gold awardees work throughout with resilience, with focus, with determination, realizing that it is so important to understand what is necessary and what is mere paraphernalia in this life. I congratulate all the gold awardees.
This exhaustive and well-structured residential project has changed the outlook of 17 gold awardees forever. They have started counting life's blessings are grateful rather than regretful that their cup is half full, and infuse care and goodness in the communities they belong to. IAYP has helped them understand that they have a meaningful purpose in life.
I have been an award leader since 2017. I have seen students enrolling themselves for bronze, then silver, then gold, and I could witness the sea of change that they underwent over these years. What they were way back in 2017 and what they had become by the time they cleared gold level is just a treat for my eyes. I got to witness the change also, especially in the adventures journey. Yes, I would like to talk about adventures journey. Some of the students went to Manali for trekking and some students went to Tamia. Both the treks were very difficult, but their tenacious attitude made them complete the journey. They had many problems, they faced quite challenging situations, but the team spirit, the bonding, the unity, the team building, critical thinking, problem solving, all these skills I could witness which enabled them to complete the entire journey. They didn't give up. That was the best part. A couple of students were hurt also, but still they continued and completed the trek. That was the best part. And all this is possible just because of IYP, which is inculcating these skills in these students. Students are just competing with themselves and enhancing their skills, their abilities. Thank you, IYP, for that.
I congratulate you all the gold awardees here today. During this pandemic, young people is really facing challenge today. In this scenario, International Award for Young People is one of the most unique platform to utilization of the current and time to acquire new skill. Yes, NAO have decided to allow flexibility in rules for the duration of quarantine. Young people can choose activity that are appropriate to their environment and best suited to their own personal interest and talent. And remember, this talent will recognize them throughout the world through this program. I congratulate you again. Your life start today onward. Enjoy life after COVID. Right? Thank you very much.
We have come to the end of the Gold Award Ceremony 2021. Thank you to our audience members who participated in the quiz, and congratulations to our award recipients. We wish you the best in life and we hope you are now world ready.